Hello, and welcome back to Nexodus Tutorials. We've covered listings in the previous video. Let's now have a look at how you can create records in version 3 of the panel. If we take products as an example, clicking on Add Product now opens a new pop-up with multiple options for you to choose from. You can click on Manual Entry to create a new product from scratch, as you used to on the previous version of the panel. You now also have options that let you create records based on templates in a few clicks. For example, products packaged with access passes or booking credits that customers can purchase to get the selected benefits. We've developed templates for multiple records including plans, products, passes, resources, and even user roles. The Learn More button at the bottom of every pop-up will take you straight to the related section of our knowledge base to find more information and tutorials on the records you're trying to create. Check out the next video to learn more about records in the latest version of the admin panel.